Hey friends and family, I hope everyone is doing well. I genuinely miss all my friends. I hope you guys are staying safe, making sure you guys are washing your hands and using hand sanitizer like we practiced for 2 weeks almost in my classroom. Unfortunately, this is the way we will be seeing each other for a couple of weeks. It's very sad that we've gotten to this point, but we're going to try to make it the best that we can. This is a video of me showing you friends and family how to access all the assignments that we'll be giving out to you for a whole week. Okay, for example, the page that we're on now, where you got this link from, is going to be a page of where I have made a video for each assignment, okay? However, we will still get questions, and that is absolutely okay. Please do not hesitate to call me or message me, and I will try to get to you as fast as I can. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and minimize myself. I'm just going to explain the instructions for this. Alright, so this is the page that I was talking about, Miss Bravo's Virtual Learning Week 1. Alright, I'm going to be sending out one of these every Monday. This is going to be work full of for 1 week. I'm sorry. It is going to be sectioned out by each subject. For example, here we have math, okay? For math, we are only going to stick to Dreambox for now. We don't want to send out any new instruction because of the whole learning through online. We just want to do review things. Okay, so it says, I will learn on Dreambox for 20 minutes 5 times this week. Okay, here, this Dreambox word is hyperlinked. It'll take you exactly to where you need to go to put in this code. This code is personalized for my classroom only. So if you click on this code, it'll take you right to my class. And then from there, the student can click on their name only. It does have 5 little rectangles, meaning for 5 times we can pretend we are checking it off, or if we print this, we can actually have the students check it off so they can see that they're being held responsible for their duty. Alright, and down here we have reading and writing, which is going to go hand in hand. This is where I have created a video or an assignment for 3 assignments, okay? For the first one, it says, watch my video using the link and send a picture of your work to Ms. Bravo through Remind. Okay, the assignment is a video. Your work and your product, your results is going to be a picture, okay, for this one. Let's go ahead and click on it so you guys can watch it on your own. I'm just going to show you how to access it. Hey friends, I hope everyone is doing awesome today. Alright, so for our writing lesson for today, we're simply going to find something that's very special to us. And if So if this was my completed work, I will take a picture of it. Well, your mom or dad or anyone in your home can take a picture of it and submit it to my Remind, okay? Remind is an app I'm using to access communication with your parents. Again, if you have any question, parents or students, please do not hesitate to ask me. I'm going to exit out this. Okay, so that is where this assignment is. It's a video of me explaining what assignment it is. All you have to do is submit it and take a picture of it through Remind. Alright, the next day or whenever you guys choose to do it, every other day, here's another assignment. Okay, you click here for the blend lesson. And then there's a game for this one after the lesson has been completed. Same for this one. There's a high frequency words lesson. It's just a quick review about high frequency words. And of course, there's a game for this one as well. Make sure you have completed the lesson first. So that is as far as reading and writing. And then we have iStation. Okay, it says, I will learn on iStation for 30 minutes 3 times this week. Of course, there are 3 rectangles. You're being held reliable for 3 times, at least for 30 minutes. Now, is it okay to exceed and go over those amount of minutes? Of course, absolutely. I would like you to, but this is just the minimum. And remember, my friends, we're overachievers, right? And then down here for science. Now, here's the catch, all right? So it says, go to Schoology on Hub. Schoology is not so familiar to us because we don't use this app so much. I will show you, however, how to reach that through here, okay? It says, go to Schoology on the Hub. just how you log in on iStation or Dreambox, that's your A-Leave hub. You will see a little link circle that says Schoology. You will click on that app. Then it's going to take you to courses, okay? I will show you on my own, okay? So this is Schoology page. And of course this is mine, but I'm going to click on courses. And you're going to click on this one. It says technology, and it should be the same picture that you saw right here. Alright, and then it says open the science folder in week 1. I'm going to go back to it, and I'm going to click on grade 1 English, and it says week 1. It is already divided into each week. I'm going to click on week 1. And then it says it says day 1 science and literacy. I'm going to click on that, science and literacy day 1. And it tells me to look at all these readings: STEMscopedia, pre-reading, after reading, and post-reading, and all those are going to be here. Pre-reading, okay, these are all very good resources to read with your children, and they can even do this independently because they do this in the classroom as well. There are some activities that you can do with them. For day 2, of course, you guys can go back. Day 2, day 3, so it is all sectioned out perfectly. Again, friends, if you have any questions or family, please do not hesitate to call me. I will guide you through it if I need to. Alright, and then some extra fun that you guys would like to click on. Here's a website about the zoo. You get to explore the Houston Zoo through webcams. So just like you're watching me through a camera, you can watch these animals through a camera, which is pretty cool. And it's actually live video of what they're doing. Okay, here's some videos on YouTube about Mo Willems. It teaches you how to do some doodles and some little quick sketches and drawings. Are really cool. And then last but not least, we will have a Zoom meeting on Thursday at 12. Okay, here is the meeting code, and here's the website if you want to just click copy it, and it'll take you straight to our Zoom meeting. You'll just have to type in this meeting ID number. Alright, so again, April 2nd at 12 o'clock. I know I did speak a little fast, but again, friends, if you have any questions, send me a message and I will get back to you. I hope this was very informative and not too hard. See you soon.